Go home happy with the 2019 Toyota Corolla. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 40,000 miles on the odometer. Answer the call to drive boldly into the future. Modern styling, advanced safety and infotainment tech, and a suite of creature comforts are on board to make every drive secure, confident, and relaxing. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, pass-through rear seat. Feel the satisfaction that comes from optimizing your driving pleasure. Treat yourself to a road test today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.